Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Michelle here. In today's video, I'm going to try to recreate 4-eye makeup look from Blackpink and Selena Gomez's latest music video, Ice Cream. much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my recreation of these looks. I definitely had so much fun recreating these, and last look feeling a little sassy over here. I didn't get to catch every single one of the looks, but I picked these favorite ones, and I hope you like them just as much as I do. And if you really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and a subscribe. I will see you all on the next one. By the way, I put on contacts for this look, and you better really go like it and drop a comment. Love ya!